Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the process heap. So let's start. What is a heap? In one of the previous videos, we have already discussed that when a process is loaded into the process virtual address space, then it has four parts. One is code section, one is data section, one is stack, and the other one is heap. So these four sections are created for a process in process virtual address space. So heap is one of them. So what is a heap? A heap is a memory area created after initialization of process in process virtual address space. Now let's see some more information regarding the heap which is allocated for your process. By default, your process gets 1 MB heap. If you don't update the settings of your project, then this will be the default size of the heap that your process will get in the process address space. If you want to change the size, then you can use the below switch. The switch is /heap and then reserve and commit values. The reserve value is used to tell that what will be the full size for the heap to allocate. What will be the complete size, what will be the maximum size that can be used for the heap, that will be indicated by the reserve. And this is by default 1 MB, which we have already discussed. And then comes the commit. Commit is the amount of memory to be allocated at a time. When the memory for your heap will be allocated, then in the chunks, it will be in this commit size. So, the heap is used for dynamic memory allocation by various windows and other processes. If you want to see the default heap, if you want to get the handle to default heap, then you can use this function getProcessHeap. We will discuss about the handles when we will discuss about the kernel objects in Windows in the coming videos. So as of now, you can just remember this, that getProcessHeap is the function that can give you the handle to the default heap that has been provided to you by the system. There is one important note. Any DLL which has logic to allocate memory should also provide the method to deallocate the memory on heap. If you have any DLL, if you have developed any DLL in which you have written some function which is allocating some memory, then you must have some function in the DLL code itself which is deallocating the same memory area. Otherwise, in absence of any deallocation function, your program may abnormally terminate while freeing the memory. Now, let's see how we can set the heap size using the Visual Studio properties. Open the project properties, go to the linker settings, and then go to the system, just like here. And then you can see the heap reserve and the heap commit size. Using these values, updating these values, you can set the new values for heap reserve and commit sizes and overriding the previous values, or you can say the default values. Now let us understand how the operating system manages the different calls to allocate the memory on the heap. Operating system serializes these requests to allocate the memory. I hope you are able to understand the meaning of serialization. This is nothing but the synchronization, which means that no two processes at the same time should be allocating the memory on the heap. So how it is done? You can see the first step. A number of Windows processes try to allocate the memory on heap area. This is something which is happening. Then OS will only allow one process to access the heap. The rest of the processes will keep waiting. Till the time one process is in process to allocate the memory on heap, others need to wait. Once the first process is done with allocation of memory, other processes waiting will take it over. And this way, the synchronization is ensured by the operating system. Now, this process of synchronizing the access to heap area causes some performance hit. It impacts the performance. To fix this, and based on the need of the software product that you are developing, the additional heaps, the private heaps that you want to use for a particular purpose, they can be created. The APIs have been provided by the Windows operating system. We will see in the coming videos that how to use them programmatically. Apart from this, there are other reasons as well to use the additional heap, and that we will discuss in coming videos as well. So with this, I am closing this video for now. Thank you.